Hello students, yesterday we have learnt about the types of government. So today we will learn about some dreadful diseases. Today we will learn GK related and science related dreadful diseases. So you have to take your books and note down whatever points I am writing. Clear? So just a minute, I have to change it. You have to note down the points. Dreadful diseases. So now, what is dreadful? Dreadful means nothing but dangerous. Dangerous disease which can lead to cancer or which can lead to death. Clear? So we'll learn about the dreadful disease. So we'll do chop. We'll take another chop piece. So here a disease. First one. What is a disease? You know, right? So first disease. A disease. You have to note the points, everyone. A disease in which a body produces abnormally shaped, listen the word abnormally, means opposite to normally. Okay? Abnormally shaped red blood cells. Abnormally shaped red blood cells leading to anemia. Abnormally shaped cells, and that last long. So you have to write it. I will explain it. That last long in our body. That last long leading to anemia. So here, so normally how the shape will be of a red blood cell, like a circle or like a little oval shape like this. This is a normal red blood cell. So now if you can compare the images also. You can find out and compare the images between the normal cells and abnormal shaped cells. Abnormal shaped cells means in our body, if cells are growing in a abnormal, I will show you a picture also in a abnormal. So here it is not in a perfect circle or oval. It is in some half type abnormal red blood cells. If in our body the blood cells are growing in a abnormal shape, different abnormal shape, then this leads to the disease anemia, and these blood cells will last long in our body, means last long time in our body, and because of these abnormal shaped cells we will get the disease name called sickle anemia. So here the disease name is, if the blood cells grows abnormally and last long, so disease sickle anemia. So here you can see in the picture. It's a sickle anemia. Some people already learnt and you have to revise it again. Okay, you have to revise. So you are not able to see. So here you can see the blood cells, abnormal shaped blood cells. The blood cell shape is not in a clear way. Clear? Many abnormal shapes are grown in body. So these leads sickle cell anemia. sickle cell anemia. So here I am written sickle anemia. You can write sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia. Clear? Okay, you have to note down the points, each and every point. Okay, now we will learn about the other disease. Sickle cell anemia. Okay, now we will learn other disease. You can write this as a number 1, first disease. So you can write number 1. Now number 2 you can write. So here number 2 you can write. Now a disease caused by a, here you can see, a disease caused, see properly, a disease caused by a virus. No virus. What is meant by virus? Virus means nothing but a disease which transmits from one person to another person. Either it might be through cell, our blood, or nowadays some corona is going on. That is a virus, right? That is a virus. It is transmitting from one person to another person through our saliva or mucus. Clear? So here a disease caused by a virus. A disease caused by a virus that damages. So here a disease caused by a virus that damages, note down the points, that damages human immune system, that damages a human immune system. So here this is a perfect example how much important, this is a perfect example how much important that human immune system to the body. Human immune system. Human immune system, making him vulnerable, making him vulnerable making him vulnerable to many diseases, to many diseases. So now it's a disease caused by a virus, and this particular disease, it damages our immune system. So we all know what is immune system right now, right? Immune system means which can fight with the bacteria which attacks our body. This human immune system helps, it protects our body, it fights with the bacteria. So but this virus affects the immune system itself. It affects human immune system. So you have to underline human immune system. Nowadays it became very, very important, right? So human immune system. This virus attacks human immune system. Because of that, human immune system get damages. Then what will happen is making him vulnerable. Vulnerable means now there is a chance to for other bacteria can easily attack to this person because his immune system is very low, very less. When the human immune system is very less, there is many chances, like many diseases can attack him easily. Many bacteria can attack him easily. Clear? So repeat. A disease caused by a virus that damages a human immune system, making him vulnerable to many diseases. So if a person gets this disease, there is a chance to get many diseases, and the disease name is HIV. HIV or AIDS also you can say. Here, what is the full form of HIV? That also will learn. What is the full form of HIV? So here I am writing the full form. You have to note it down. Human immunodeficiency virus. So human immunodeficiency virus. Okay. So today we have learned about. So now up to now we have learned about the sickle cell anemia disease and human immunodeficiency virus. So this person will get very sick because of the immune system in the body is very less, and there is many chances to get many diseases, and daily he will become very weak. For example, you can see in the picture also. Here you can see in the picture, see the HIV, human immunodeficiency virus patient, he became very sick and there is a chances to get many diseases. Clear? If you have books, these books you can revise it again. Okay. Now third disease we can write the number third. You can write the number third. So here now a disease where abnormal cells clump together. Listen properly. A disease where abnormal cells clump together. That is nothing but abnormal cells means in sickle cell anemia we have already seen the picture, but here the blood cells are in a separate positions, right? But here now we are talking about another disease that these abnormal shaped cells will clump together, means will join in a different shapes, and it will become a different types of some joining, and it will get joined and it will form a different types of shapes. It will clump together, that means join together. Clear? In different organs of the body, so in many different types of organs, many organs are there. In different organs of the body it will clump together. In different organs of the body to form tumors. So here the abnormal cells clump together in different organs of the body, in many organs of the body. The abnormal cells clump together. Because of that clump together, it will form tumor. Tumors means nothing but, now the disease name is cancer. You might have listened many cancers. There are different types of cancers also. So you have listened about the cancer, right? Now how cancer will come? If abnormal cells clump together in different organs, so there is a chances to get cancer. Clear? So now we'll learn about another disease. So whenever I am writing the notes, you have to note down it. Now third you can write the first three completed, right? So you can write the fourth one. can write the name. Fourth one. So here a disease that affects the central nervous system. A disease that affects the central nervous, the nervous system, right? You can find out the images of nervous system also. You can see in the science textbook nervous system images. A disease that affects the central nervous system. Because of this central nervous system that affects, so what will happen here, that affects movement means we are unable to walk, we are unable to go some other places properly in a order. That affects movement, stiffness means unable to stand properly. Some people will get bent like this. Clear? Stiffness, tremors and loss of balance. Tremors also it will get affected. Tremors means, as we learned in the previous disease, tremors and loss of balance also we can say. Loss of balance. Right here. And loss of balance. So here a disease that affects the central nervous system, that affects our body nervous system, and what are the causes of it? For a movement, there is a problem in the movement. We are unable to walk properly. Stiffness, we are unable to stand properly, and mostly it occurs to the old age persons. Stiffness, tremors, and loss of balance. Loss of balance means unable to stand properly, or else it is also loss of balance. Our weight will also decrease. Clear? You can see the picture also of some particular patient. Here you can see is in a not stiff, right? Is not stiff and unable to walk also, and doctor is treating him. Okay, this disease. So what is the disease? The disease name is Alzheimer's disease. What is it? Alzheimer's disease. So write the disease name, Alzheimer's disease. You can write down the name. Alzheimer's disease. Clear? Because of the which affects the central nervous system, and it will affect the movement, stiffness, tremors, and loss of balance. That is Alzheimer's disease. Okay. Now we'll learn another disease. The fifth one. You can write the number 5. You can write number 5. Each and every point. So must you have to write all the points. Now a progressive disease. So here a progressive disease. A progressive disease means daily increasing disease. A progressive disease